Boiled beetroot peeling recipe. Peeling boiled beetroots is a simple process. Here's a step-by-step recipe to help you peel and prepare boiled beetroot. Ingredients: boiled beetroots, a sharp knife or vegetable peeler, cutting board, disposable gloves, optional to prevent staining your hands. Instructions. 1. Boil the beetroots. Start by boiling the beetroots until they are tender. You can do this by placing the unpeeled beetroots in a pot of water and boiling them for about 45 minutes to 1 hour or until they can be easily pierced with a fork. Alternatively, you can steam them or use a pressure cooker. 2. Cool the beetroots. Once the beetroots are cooked, remove them from the boiling water and let them cool down. You can run them under cold water or place them in a bowl of ice water to speed up the cooling process. 3. Prepare your workspace. Place a cutting board on your countertop. If you're concerned about staining your hands, you can wear disposable gloves during the peeling process. 4. Trim the ends. Trim off both the stem end and the root end of the beetroot using a sharp knife. 5. Peel the skin. With a sharp knife or a vegetable peeler, carefully peel away the skin of the beetroot. Start at the top where you trimmed off the stem end and work your way downward, following the natural contours of the beetroot. The skin should come off easily. 6. Slice or dice as needed. Once the beetroot is peeled, you can slice, dice, or chop it according to your recipe or preference. Boiled beetroots can be used in salads, soups, or as a side dish. 7. Storing. If you're not using the peeled beetroots immediately, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They can typically be refrigerated for a few days. Beetroot can stain surfaces, so be mindful of the cutting board and your clothing during the peeling process. If you're concerned about staining, you can use a plastic cutting board that's easy to clean or wear an apron. Boiled beetroots are versatile and can be used in various dishes, from salads to sandwiches, and even blended into smoothies for a nutritional boost. Enjoy your peeled and prepared beetroots in your favorite recipes.